In the previous video, we were trying to extract middle name and it was a slightly complicated process. What if we have to get the details between third and fourth dot, or let's say between third and 10th dot? It will be very tricky with our current strategy. We have an easy way to do this using search and substitute. Let's say we want to extract the details between third and fifth dot. For that we know we need to get the position of third dot and then we have to calculate the position of our fifth dot. Now we can subtract the position of third from our fifth dot and we will also have to subtract 1 so that this fifth dot is not included in our result. Now this gives us the length we want to fetch. For our case, it will be 7 characters. Now can we easily get the position of our third and fifth dot? We can, and substitute function can help us in this. If we want to calculate the position of our third dot, we can replace it with another symbol that is not used in our string like @. Let's do that. We will replace third dot with @. For the same, we will write substitute. This string will be our first parameter, dot will be our second parameter, and we will replace it with @, and we will choose 3 since we want to replace the third occurrence. Now finding the position of @ in this string is very straightforward. We will search @, this will be our string, and we will start with 1, and now we get the position of our third occurrence. We can do the same to get the position of our fifth occurrence. Let's copy this formula and we will just change this 3 to 5 and we get the fifth position as well. Now we will subtract the third position from the fifth position and we will subtract 1 from this. Now this gives us the length of the characters we want to fetch. We know where to start. We know the length of characters we want to fetch. Now we just need to plug this in our mid function and we get the characters between our third and fifth dot. Try using this process on your own to get the values between second and fifth dot. Now I want to stress one thing here. One of the objectives of this course is to ensure that you are able to solve such practical scenarios using the formulas that we are learning. You may not be able to think the approach for every problem on your own, and that's where the strong Excel community helps. The idea is that if you look up a very tricky problem online, you should be able to understand how other people have solved that problem so that you can replicate it using the formulas we are discussing. And apart from this, you should be able to solve all other stuff on your own.